Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set the volume and sound profiles. Setting the volume is very quick and easy, done by pressing either the top left button on the keypad or the top right button. The top right button is volume up,
volume 4, volume 5, volume 6, volume 7, volume 8.
8 being the maximum volume, and the button on the left is volume down.
Volume 7, volume 6, volume 5.
To quickly set the sound profile, you simply long press the pound button. It's also the hashtag button. It's the very bottom right key on the keypad. If I long press that button,
change a sound profile. Normal selected, 1 of 3.
Brings me into the sound profile menu, and I have 3 options. Normal is selected by default.
Vibration not selected, 2 of 3.
Vibration.
Silent not selected, 3 of 3.
Or silent. If I want to pick one of those, I just simply press the OK button.
Silent selected. Normal not selected, normal selected.
Then I can press the end call button to go back.
Call, 1 of 9.
So that is how to quickly change the volume as well as your sound profile. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. If you'd like to see more of our tutorials, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.